Alright, big up on yourself, people. I know me I think about it, so we know a lot of persons might agree. Probably a few persons might agree, but a lot of persons might disagree where that is concerned. Now, me I watch the space where the football is being discussed. A lot of things is happening in the space, especially where the Reggae Boyz are concerned. And when I look at things, me I get to identify, say, it doesn't matter what happened with the Reggae Boyz. The buck stops at the players. It doesn't matter what happened. No coach come in, no coaching staff, new backroom staff, new JFF, members, every change out everything, clean out everything. You can't necessarily change the players, as the players will remain. But if you change everything about the Reggae Boy setup, every single thing, even if you get the most professional setup coming, the buck stops with the players. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Massive respect, people. Without you guys, this channel would mean nothing at all. So big up on yourself. Hit the like button if you don't know the thing already. If you're new here, please do. Feel free to subscribe if you like the video. If not, no problem at all. It's totally fine. Now, the buck stops with the players. I'm going to emphasize on that. Now, remember we have the Unity Cup, right? And a lot of persons, the Unity Cup allow them to feel, you get a sense of something is happening. You get the feeling that something really is happening with this team. Then the World Cup kick in, the World Cup qualifiers kick in, and rise, boom, get a big drop. I said, what happened? Then the Gold Cup kick in, you get a further drop down. You said, no, I said, what's really happening? So now, as supporters, we are looking at it and say, we feel a way about it because we kind of find it very, very difficult to understand why there's such a vast contrast in performance. So because of that, now we start look to who is the next shiny toy who can help us? Who is the next player who believe can help us? So now, quote unquote, Mason Greenwood seem to be the savior because automatically once him come, we're gonna start win. So all that issues I'm gonna have prior to, I go fix. Not knowing say maybe the same issues we have right now, Mason Greenwood might just fall right into it. Just saying, quote unquote. Even though watch listener a radio program recently with Zidane, I think it's Sports Next, and Rudolph Speed did say, quote and say, he's not sure if Mason Greenwood will play. So he's not sure. He knows that he has the documentation, but he's unsure that he will play. So he go right back to square one and said, think about it, say we don't have the shiny toy in Mason Greenwood. What do we do next? What should happen next? And that itself would send people in panic and shock. And said, so because we don't have the savior in Mason Greenwood, quote unquote, what we are going to do next? Yeah. That's the situation. That's generally the situation that most Reggae Boy supporters are in. And I believe that's just a mindset. Now, what I'm saying here is this. A lot of us are looking at everything except the real issue. The buck stops at the players. As I said, if you look at the Nigeria squad, I know a lot of persons will come in the comment section and speak about Nigeria team and them Z team. No. Look at the quality players. Chikwueze, Ndidi. What about Premier League players? We're speaking about players who are playing a Champions League, who are playing for Villarreal. We're talking about some high-level quality players who are a part of the Nigeria first team. So maybe it's their B team, but a lot of the players in the squad are top-level players. And in the World Cup qualifiers, and even in the Gold Cup, we never face quality players like that. But yet still, why do we look so good in the Unity Cup versus those quality players? versus the other team. No, you will have persons who come and say, "Why it's an international friendly." But if you watch a game, was it really a friendly though? Just watch back a game. Was it really a friendly? Are you going to use that it's just an international friendly because it makes you feel better or it builds your argument? And I do believe, and I'm going to say it again, it doesn't matter what happened around the Reggae Boyz setup, the box stops or the players. We could have a new JFF and different management, different president, everything. We could have a new coach, a new coaching staff. Once the players remain, these are the same players. Once these players don't intend to put in their hard yards, which is required to win games, we will still look subpar. I say again, the buck stops with the players. And I said, people will comment. Just looking at the comment section. Look how much excuse you are going to see in the comment section for the players. Look how much excuse for the players. And I try my best to show people. So until the players them decide, say, we want this, we are going for this. We not get it. It no matter how much quality player come in, it no matter how big this squad be, it no matter all them kind of something there. None of them something no matter unless the players decide that they really want it and they're willing to go on the pitch and put in the extra hard yard to win those games to qualify us to the World Cup. In my humble opinion, I strongly believe though, even if nothing changed, we are going to make it to the World Cup. What are we going to do at the World Cup? That's a different question. And I don't know if we can answer that one day. We might be in shambles, but hopefully not. Yes, I strongly believe that we will make it to the World Cup. We will be at the World Cup. The group is quite relatively easy for us to not be there. Yes, football don't play upon paper. Yes, you can be overly optimistic, but also you can be a fan and support your team and have the confidence that your team can get the job done. And that's the position that I'm in right now. But again, as I said, it's all boils down to the players, and if they want it, if they desire it, if they hunger for it, then we will most certainly make it to the World Cup without a doubt. Anyways, again, as I said, the box up with the players, people. Big up on yourself. If you disagree, no problem at all. Tell us why you disagree, people. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. Outside. You know what I mean?